It's time for laughs, it's time for fun, it's time to learn for everyone at Nana's Cooking Craft Corner.
Hello and welcome back to Nana's Cooking Craft Corner. And in this video, I am going to show you this absolutely adorable Suitcase mini album. And this was inspired by a woman. I'm gonna have to find her name. I'm not sure what the channel is, but she made this and then I loved it so much that I made actually 4 of these. Okay, so we'll start out with the front kind of. So I kind of did a lot of metal. If you notice, there's metal on the corners with brads. And then right here, this one was made for my daughter when she got married. It's got a little key, again with brads. And now this, well, I'm gonna try to get my hands out of the way, but this comes out and she can put her picture here. This was just, that's their initials, so she can put any kind of picture she wants. Then I did this little keychain here just for decoration. It's got some more little metal pieces on here. This is so cute. It's a little chair, beads, and there's a little clock because, well, I'm thinking of it's time related to the suitcase. And then there's a little tree. So, like, it reminds me of family tree. And, yes, a vintage look is what I was trying to say. So we're going to turn around to the sides, and here's more metal. And then I have hinges here, which is so cool. Right there, and all kinds of brads. And this looks like leather, but it's not. It's actually a craft paper that I did a certain technique to it. And I'm going to turn this around, and then I got 4 corners again. And I love this piece I did, so we have I don't know, I just liked it. It reminds me because it's a suitcase, all vintage, and I got this thing kind of turns with, again, a bunch of brads, and then I have little tags. This reminds me of when you used to go take the train. You used to have this thing to have to stamp, so she can write on here, journal with it. Here's the back, put pictures on it. They can put wedding dates, anything regarded when they got married, because they just got married last October. So you know, it's up to them. I just wanted to show you on video before she actually starts using it. All right, and we're gonna, oh, well, I'm gonna turn you to the side and see. I'm not gonna open this up quite yet, but see, little metal locks, more brads up here. And if I show you the front, this was a handle made with this, and then I wrapped twine around it, kind of giving it, again, that vintage look. And these are D-rings I used right here. I ordered all of them online through Amazon, and I'll leave some of the links down below. I will leave all the stuff that I used, well, most of it, whatever I can figure out, and the links through. And you just, it's easy. You go through Amazon, and I appreciate that. That would help support my channel. And you just go through that. It doesn't cost anything, and it links in if you buy stuff for me. So thanks for that. Now I'm going to open this up, and I'm going to go slowly. I'm going to turn it here like that. I've got it upside down. Hang on a minute. Like this. We'll take it out. Okay, and I'll leave that up so you can see that. All right, and hopefully you can see this. Okay, so here's the front. Again, I like the knobs. I don't know, I just like the metal stuff on these things when you do it. Okay, so besides being rustic, I like that steampunk kind of look. So they're little gears. Love all this stuff. And I'm going to show you the side kind of here is, this is going to be the enclosure that I used, okay? It connects on the bottom here, and it's a little enclosure. I'm going to show you all the sides here. Now you can put more on here. I just like the way it looked, but you could add more metal on here. All right, so we're going to go this way. And I'm going to open this up. There we go. This is, I love this journal. It's one of my favorites. So if I put it this way, again, she has more tags, you know, wedding dates, anything she wants. Pictures here. Quotes. Yeah, there's all kinds of things you can put on here. Your imagination can run wild. And then I'm going to turn here. Oh, this came off, but this is right here. I'll show you. I made these little cardstock clips, paper clips. They're cute. I'm going to turn to this page here, and there's more tags here. A belly band, so you can put more stuff here. This little guy keeps coming off, but it's okay. So you just clip this anywhere you want. All right, more gears. And this is where I gotta get my glasses to show you. There's sentimental things on every single page. So I'm gonna read through that so you see how cool they are. And through here, more pictures, journal writing, anything you want. It slips right in here. So I'm going to tell you what it says on this one. It says, life is about creating yourself. Okay? And we're going to switch the same. Then this opens up. And again, you can put pictures, writing, anything you like. And it closes up here with a little arrow here I got right there. And then again, they're like pretty well the same. Different types of paper clips. And a little spot here. And this one says, live the life you've imagined. So I love quotes like that. I have that throughout the whole thing. Again, both sides here. The reason I made this, my daughter does love vintage, so that's kind of why I was inspired to do this particular thing. And I should explain to you, I have stamps, all vintage kind of stamps all over here. And a very deep stamp, like a dark tone brown stamp. And then different kind of paper clips, because I have a die cut that does paper clips here. And there's more wheels here. And this page says, reality has limit, imagination is boundless. Love that saying, love it. Okay, and again, there's in here, I'm not gonna show you, it's the same thing. This one, different kind of paper clips. And this says, know in your heart you are loved, which that's for sure is for my daughter. Love her to death. Anyways, and same thing here. And it opens up here. And this is another page, little heart clips. Embrace imperfections. You surely should, because we're not all perfect. And you know what? Everybody's unique in their own way, and I love that. You know, this is like using your imagination, creating anything you want. Again, in here. And that opens up. And this one says, encourage your hopes, not your fears, which is absolutely fantastic quote. That's true. You know how many times that, you know, you get scared and not to do it? Well, I'm telling you, you should go for it, because you know, you're gonna feel so much happier and proud of yourself that you actually did things that you were scared to do. Okay, another paper clips, you can write on that. And then this is another one that opens up. And the final back part, again, is right here. Another tag, which I love the tags. A little belly band that you can actually put some more pictures underneath. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it on its side. And this is the special little part it has. All right, so it has a little drawer, see? And you can I just put some tags and little paper clips and all that. But it's got a little drawer, more pictures, you know, quotes, anything sentimental. You know, again, this was done for my daughter's wedding, so she can put wedding pictures, quotes, she can do whatever she wants. You know, little things that people gave her, you know, like charms, anything, like a little jewelry box. Close this up. All right, and there it is. And I'm gonna show you one thing. I did 4 of these, as like 2 were given already away. This is my third, well, this was my first one. I've given 2 away already as gifts. And then I'm gonna give you a style of another thing. This is what I made kind of for my husband. Now I don't wanna advertise for this, but I do he loves this Big Bang Theory, and I did do this one for him. See, just a different style. So really, you can do any design you want. If it was made for somebody particular, anything, what they like. I've done, like I said, I did one was fairies. I gave away to a little girl and her grandma to do stuff together. It was done totally different. And then, I'm trying to remember the other one I did. And the other one was to my sister. I put Doctor Who. And that was really cool because I put all kinds of little tags to show the different years of Doctor Who, what actor was Doctor Who. So that was one of my favorites. It's got a big door. So I did a Doctor Who version, and I guess I've been told it was a tortoise. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but it looks like a door to me. But anyways, And I had a blast doing all of these. You know, I'll never give up. Love crafts. Well, anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I will try to find the lady who actually did this and put it down below. Because I saw tons of YouTubers and they're all talented as far as I'm concerned. So, again, if you like this video, subscribe, comment, and give it a thumbs up. So for now, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.